Hi, welcome to Covo Commercial January progress. Painting works has already started at the ground floor. It's around 70% complete. On first and second, also around 60% complete. When it comes to the glass installation for the ground floor shops, we're around 70% complete. On first floor, it's 100%, and on second floor, it's 80% complete. When it comes to plaster works, for both the residential part and commercial, it's around 80% complete. For the external works, we have the connections to the sewer. On Odaya Road, we've done sewer connection, curb row on the interior side, also backfilling works and casting of the ramps. It's around 80% complete. On Bitanga Road, currently we're doing the curb row paving on the exterior side. That's around 30% complete, but we've done the sewer connection. For the third floor slab, we've done the waterproofing. That's complete now. We are proceeding with screeding in the next weeks.